Today I'm going to be showing you how to add volume to your style. When you blow dry, the best and easiest way to get some extra added volume is to flip your head upside down and blow dry your product in upside down. Then we're going to take the sham powder dry shampoo and just pump that into your roots. A few sections. Follow that with this side. Don't have to be exceptionally precise, just tap it in there. We're gonna give it a nice rub. And then we're gonna go through and do the same with the Pure Abundance Hair Potion. This one we don't really wanna shake. It comes out as a powder, so we're just gonna tap it out as a powder. And then when you squish it in on your scalp, it disappears into a nice gel, which gives you some good hold. Definitely less is more. And again, just give that a nice good squish. So we could either leave it like this or come back in with a tail comb or back combing comb. We're just gonna lift this up and give a nice little tap to the roots there. Follow that on the other side. Perfect, and there we go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box for all the products below.